Good morning, students. Let's start today's class. Today's class is on whole numbers and we will start exercise 2.2 today. See the first question here. Find the sum by suitable arrangement. The first part is 837 plus 208 plus 363. Students, we are going to do nothing but just we are going to add these numbers. Okay? हो सकता है इन नंबर्स का अरेंजमेंट चेंज करने के बाद, अरेंजमेंट चेंज करने का मतलब किसी नंबर को किसी और प्लेस पर रख देने से शायद एडिशन इजी हो जाए, इसलिए हम इन नंबर्स के प्लेसेस को एक्सचेंज करने के बाद ऐड करने का ट्राई करते हैं. ओके, सो हेयर 837 and 363. We know the units place are here 7 and 3. If we would be adding them, तो there are chances कि हमें यहाँ पर 0 मिलेगा at units place and then addition will be easy. So we are adding 837 and 363 first. We are putting them in a bracket and solving them. The answer is coming 1200 plus 208. Then the answer is clearly 1408. Now in the B part, try to search, try to collect those numbers together where at unit place 0 may come. Okay, so we are taking together 1962 and 1538 because here at unit place 2 and 8 are given, so they can be added where 0 will come at unit place. The sum is 3500. Similarly 453 and 647 are added to give 1100 and the total answer is 4600. Okay, now let's start from the second question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Here the first part is given 2 into 1768 into 50. Children, in all these parts, try to collect those numbers first where as an answer if 100 or 1000 or some 10,000 can come, then our multiplication will be easy. Okay, so in the first part, first we have collected 2 and 50 and the answer will come 100 and then 100 into 1768 is equals to 1,76,800. Children, there is a easy way to understand this multiplication. When you multiply any number with the numbers like 100, 10, 1000 or 10,000, so what you can do, write that number itself. Example, as here 1768 is given, so 1768 is written as it is. Now see how many zeros are there, whether the number is 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. How many zeros are there in 10? Only one. So put 1 0 only after 1768 at the unit place. And if there is 100 to be multiplied, there are 2 zeros in 100. So after 1768, 2 zeros will be written at unit place and tens place, and that is the answer. Now see the B part. Here 25 and 4 can be multiplied to give 100. Now 166 into 100, how many zeros are there in 100? 2 only. So after 166, how many zeros you can write? 2 at ones place and tens place. But students, keep in mind, you can only do such multiplication when multiplication is done only with either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000, such numbers. Okay, you cannot even perform these multiplications if they are given with 20, 200 or 2000. There will be a little change but will not be the same. Okay. Similarly, part 125 and 8 are taken together to give 1000 and it is multiplied with 291. So after 291, how many zeros are written? 3 zeros at ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. See the D part, children. Here 625 and 16 are taken together. You may think that, ma'am, how we would be able to know that which two numbers taken together can give such product, such answer, that 10,000 or a number which have 0 at its unit place. See, here in 625, what is the unit place number? 5. In 16, what is the unit place number? 6. So whatever number are given here, when we will be multiplying here, at unit place will be 0 coming, because 6 into 5 is equals to 30, and this 0 at least will come at that unit place and that 3 will be carry forward. Okay, you know the multiplication. When we will multiply 5 and 16, at unit place 0 will come, because at unit place 5 and 6 are given and they will be multiplied to give 30, where that 0 will be written at the unit place and 3 will be carried forward. Clear? Now this 10,000 is multiplied with 279 and the answer you can see. Now see this E part. Here 5 and 60 are multiplied so that 0 is coming at unit and tens place. That is okay, but this is not 100, this is 300. So we cannot simply put 2 zeros after 285, है ना? I told you that this can be done only with when 10, 100, 1000 or such numbers are given. So what we can do here, we have written this 285, 300 minus 15, and when we know that whenever 2 or 3 numbers are written inside the bracket and this type one number is written outside the bracket, to multiply that outside number with all the number written inside the bracket. Okay, ब्रैकेट के बाहर जो नंबर लिखा हो, मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं उसको उन सब से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. ओके, सो हियर 300 is multiplied with 300 minus 300 is multiplied with 15 also. Okay, so 300 into 300, that is 90,000, and 15 into 300 is 4500. जब इनको माइनस किया तो आंसर इज कमिंग 85,500. Similarly, F question is solved here. Students, I expect, I hope now you can understand this question. Okay, now in this third question you have to search for the common number. See the first part, 297 is multiplied with 17 and 297 is multiplied with 3. So 297 is common here, we are taking it common and into ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे 17 plus 3. Okay, because here plus is given, so inside the bracket 17 plus 3 is equals to 20, and that is to be multiplied with 297. And now in a different way, 27 is written as 2 and 10, so that you can multiply 297 with 2, and then because that will be multiplied with 10, so you can simply put a 0 at unit place. This is also one method, easy method. Okay, similarly in the B part, 92 and 8 are kept in bracket, and this 54,279 is taken common. So inside the bracket it is 100, which is multiplied with this number 54,279, and answer is here. Similarly, this C part, common has been taken out, and inside the bracket 169 minus 69 is becoming 100, and this is the easy multiplication. You can easily solve it. Now see this D part. Here nothing is clearly common, so we will solve it. थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करने के बाद हम देखते हैं कि क्या हमें कुछ कॉमन मिल सकता है. The first part is same, but the part after plus sign is written in this way: 769 into 5 into 5 into 218. And in the next line, this 769 into 5 has taken together in a bracket. We have multiplied it, and the answer is coming in next line, 3845, which is common now. So we can take this 3005 and 5 into 5 common, and inside the bracket 782 plus 218 is equals to 1000, which is multiplied. Okay, now let's see this fourth part. इन्हें हमने पीड़ा है, वही सेम तरीके से हम प्रोडक्ट करते रहेंगे, बट यहाँ हमें उस प्रॉपर्टी का नाम लिखना होगा. स्टूडेंट्स, अभी पिछले क्वेश्चन में मैंने आपको बताया था कि ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर कोई नंबर लिखा होता है और उसको ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी नंबर होते हैं उन सब के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. वैसा ही कुछ इस क्वेश्चन में है. सो 738 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद 100 and 738 is multiplied with 3 also, and this property is known as the distributive property. Children, similarly in the second question, ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाली क्वांटिटी को आपने ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाली क्वांटिटी के साथ अलग अलग करके मल्टीप्लाई किया है. इसी को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, similarly these C and D parts are solved. Okay, see question number 5. Students, whenever word problems are given, you have to read the question very carefully until you get the meaning of question. Keep reading the question, whether 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so I'm reading line by line. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. मंडे को 40 लीटर पेट्रोल के साथ अपनी कार के टैंक को फिल किया एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर ने. द नेक्स्ट डे ही फिल्ड द टैंक विथ 50 लीटर्स ऑफ पेट्रोल. नेक्स्ट डे ट्यूसडे को उसने कितने लीटर पेट्रोल फिल किया? 50 लीटर्स. अभी देखो, क्वेश्चन से ही हमको समझना है, तो टोटल उसने कितना किया? 40 प्लस 50 लीटर. टोटल कितने लीटर टैंक को फिल किया? 50 प्लस 40. इसे पढ़ना सीख जाएंगे तो क्वेश्चन पढ़ते पढ़ते ही आपको आधी चीज़ें समझ आ जाएंगी. नाउ इफ द पेट्रोल कॉस्ट 44 पर लीटर, तो हाउ मच ही डिड ही स्पेंड इन ऑल ऑन द पेट्रोल? सी solution. Petrol filled on Monday 40 liters. Cost of petrol is 44 per liter. Petrol filled on Tuesday is 50 liters. Cost is same again, 44 rupees per liter. So the total money spent, देखिए पहले दिन 40 लीटर पेट्रोल फिल किया, कॉस्ट था 44, सो वी मल्टीप्लाइड 40 इंटू 44 प्लस बिकॉज सेकेंड डे भी फिल किया 50 इंटू 44 क्योंकि पेट्रोल था 50 लीटर एंड कॉस्ट था 44. In the next line 44 has been taken common and 40 plus 50 is equals to 90 liter into 44 rupees, that is 3960 rupees. आप चाहें तो डायरेक्टली ऐसे भी कर सकते थे that total petrol filled is equals to 40 plus 50 is equals to 90 liter, and then in next line you can write total cost is equals to 90 into 44 rupees, that is answer will be the same. Now in this question a vendor supplies 32 liter of milk in a hotel in the morning, of milk in the evening, and the cost of milk is 15 rupees per liter. How much money is due to the vendor per day? एक दिन में देखिए मिल्क सप्लाइड इन मॉर्निंग 32, द कॉस्ट इज 15. मिल्क सप्लाइड इन द इवनिंग 68, द कॉस्ट इज 15. दिस इज द सेम क्वेश्चन जैसा हमने पहले किया है, बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. तो टोटल पेड टू द वेंडर कितना टोटल मनी बनता है 32 इंटू 15 मॉर्निंग, क्योंकि 32 लीटर मिल्क आ रहा है और कॉस्ट है 15, प्लस 68 लीटर मिल्क है इंटू कॉस्ट है 15. तो 15 is common, 32 plus 68 is 100 into 15 is equals to 1500. So the total cost of milk per day is 1500. In the last question, match the following. See first part children, in the bracket there is numbers are in addition and outside the bracket multiplication is there. ठीक है, so हम इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. आपको पता है 425 मल्टीप्लाइड विल बी 6, 425 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 30 एंड विथ 100 ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिविटी ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओवर एडिशन, बिकॉज ब्रैकेट के अंदर सिर्फ एडिशन है. इन द सेकेंड पार्ट द प्लेसेस हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड, सो देयर इज कम्यूटेटिव अंडर मल्टीप्लीकेशन. हम प्लेसेस को चेंज कर पाते हैं. सिंपली 2 इंटू को हम 3 इंटू 2 भी लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कम्यूटेटिविटी. द थर्ड इज कम्यूटेटिव अंडर एडिशन. इन द थर्ड एडिशन इज देयर गिवन एंड प्लेसेस हैज बीन चेंज, सो कम्यूटेटिविटी अंडर एडिशन. दैट्स ऑल.